Hi guys, welcome to this video. I wanted to do something special today, and this is going to be a quick video, but it's going to be a really good one if I do say so myself. What it's going to do is show you how to promote Clickbank products with a really good traffic source and exactly how to do it. I'm going to give you two ways of doing it rather. So what I suggest you do is grab a pen and paper and just note this down, and let me know in the comments once you've watched this video. I'll keep it short and sweet. And let me know in the comments any confusion, and I can expand on areas if you've got any confusion with this. And I'll also do a case study of this exact method here on YouTube so you can see it working. So I just wanted to do something really cool, and I know a lot of people really struggle with this online stuff, and I want to show you how quickly and easily you can start making sales with Clickbank or any other affiliate product, or at the very least how you can get going off the ground and start getting some results. So I'll walk you through it. Really simple, and you can just follow this and let me know in the comments if you struggle with any of this. Any questions, let me know, and I can do another video, and I'll be doing a case study as well on this. A little bit about me, if you don't know, my name's Chris Jones. I have been online marketing for over 15 years. I've actually used Clickbank since about 2006, 2007, going right back to the days of MySpace. Promoting a poker software on MySpace was one of the first ventures that I had with Clickbank, and then since then, years forward, I made my living with Clickbank as an affiliate for a number of years, which is really bad. I'll go into that into another story. Like, I didn't build a list or anything. I just made good money promoting affiliate products from Clickbank, like I'm going to show you here. And then I went into building my own products, which was even more profitable, and I've built over 50 Clickbank products from scratch and promoted them myself. And unfortunately, not every single one was a rip-roaring hit, but the ones that were, I've had multiple top sellers on Clickbank, both with my products and products I've actually teamed up and partnered with someone to make, and a lot of experience there. Anyway, I will walk you through this. Any questions about it, let me know. If you're interested in this stuff and going step by step through it and how to build income with Clickbank, do check out the course. It's in the link below. I won't spend ages on this. Just check it out. I think it's one of the best courses that you can get for Clickbank and niche sites. I'll show you how to build niche sites that rank on Google, and I will also show you how to do funnels. Set it up so you've actually got funnels and automated funnels through paid ads as well, and it guides you through the whole thing step by step. You can check out the video. There's a special offer on at the minute, and it will guide you through how to build a list, exactly how to sell affiliate products without spamming or anything like that, and how to actually build niche sites that work and make you money, and also will continue to make money because you can then sell them. Okay, so do check that out in the link below. I've put the timer on for a little bit longer, but it's going to be the final time. It's at discount. You can get them really cheap at the minute, and it's a comprehensive course. You just go through video 1, video 2, do what it says, video 3, do what it says, video 4, and if you follow that, you'll be making money, and it's got a full guarantee on it as well. Okay, let's get into the method. Grab a pen and paper. I think you're going to enjoy this. I'm going to keep it short and sweet, but I'll show you a really good way. Two different ways you can make money with Clickbank. So the first way is picking a product. Now, what you want to do, the first way is pick a product that's a really obvious niche. And what I mean by that, there's so many different ways of picking a product. The first way that you can use this method is by picking an interest-based product. And I picked out ukulele lessons, okay, something a bit strange. So anything like that will work really well. You could do like singing lessons up here, that would work really well. Any interest or hobby that they're very passionate about. The reason I picked ukulele lessons to show you is because it's a little bit strange. It's not like guitar lessons. It's a little very specific niche. The more specific and the more hobby based it is for this first method will work really well, and I'll show you why. So I picked out this product, ukulele lessons. Double check the product. So this is recommended to you when you're doing this. I'll do a case study on this stuff, but double check the product, buy the product and have a look and make sure it's all above board. You know, a good product. You do get some crap on Clickbank. I think they've got better. You know, when I got started with Clickbank, you could list pretty much anything, and that was the truth. But I think they've got better, but it's always worth checking the product, making sure that it's a good product. The second thing that you want to check is obviously the sales page. So this is fairly dated sales page, you know, in the style of it. It's not like a video sales page, but it's still fine, okay? This will still convert. I might even do the case study with this product. So the first thing you can do here, this is the real key. So we've got our interest-based product. As I say, we could have done singing lessons, or we could do anything, like just something that, for this first method, just something that's not weight loss and the go-to things that you see, you know, high gravity things that you see everyone go to. You want to go to something a little bit different, and you want to go to something that is an interest-based niche for this first method. So make a note of that. Once you've done that, here's the next key thing that you're going to do. You need to have something like Getresponse. I'm not telling you to go off and buy Getresponse. Aweber will be fine, but you need something that will build you landing pages and allow you to send emails to people. Drip is a good one. I've used Aweber for years, and Lead Pages is one of my best business buys as well. It's absolutely phenomenal. If you've got ClickFunnels, you could use that, but it's expensive. I highly recommend Getresponse for this video, and it's not like an affiliate link or telling you to use it, you know, and I get paid X amount when you sign up. I'm just saying because it's $15. Just double check for us. Okay, it's bringing up pounds because I'm based in the UK, but it's about $15 a month for everything that you need, and you can get more stuff for $37, but that's not much at all, and it will give you the email, it will give you the landing pages. The reason being, this is really important and worth writing down. You know, when I was saying a bit about my history and I was making money as an affiliate, this is something I neglected, and I don't want you to. You need to build a list, and I know you've probably heard that before, and lots of different things, and the list is spamming, you're going to spam people. You need to build a list, and it's not bad building a list as long as you're not spamming people, okay? The reason that you need to build a list is more important than just having a list full of people. So you've probably heard the saying, the money's in the list. It's not in the list, okay? The money is not in the list. The money is in your relationship with the people on your list. And that doesn't mean that you just hammer them with sales stuff, okay? What you can do is you can send them value. And the other thing is, this is the pure simple thing, even if you weren't to do that, the simple fact is most people won't buy on the first visit. So if you get anything from this video, anything at all, bear in mind that a lot of the reason people fail with Clickbank is because they go and grab a product, anything, okay? They grab their affiliate link and they just start pasting it around online and hoping for the best. Most people will not buy anything off the first visit. Like yourself, you know, if you're watching this, how many times have you bought something on your very first visit? You might do if you have pre-exposure to the person, if you know them, if you know the stuff that they sort of sell and you already know them. But if you don't know anybody, normally you buy because you've seen them about a bit, okay? Like a sort of relationship, you've seen them about. You might not even be on the list, but you've seen them about a little bit, and that's helped influence your decision. So just bear in mind that you need to build a list, and what you do is you'd have I'll do another video on this because I don't want the video to be too long. I want to give you the stuff. So you'd have an opt-in page that would give something for free that would make sense for, in this case, ukulele lessons. Okay, so you might have, and you can research this quite easily by looking, I'll just show you really quickly. Okay, so a really cool thing, so when you're thinking about the free gift to give to your list, so they're going to give you their name and email, and what can you give them that's of real value? One of the best ways to look for ideas is to go to YouTube and type in your niche area. In this case, I've put ukulele lessons, okay? And what I've done with the filters is I've actually searched for view count. I'm only interested in the most views. And in this case, you can see the most viewed video on ukulele is someone teaching Somewhere Over the Rainbow, the song. Okay, and then the second is another beginner song, and the third is a beginner lesson. So what does that tell us? It tells us that one of the best things that you could give as a free gift is either a 3 or 4 day course with beginner lessons, okay? And you might think, well, I don't know how to play the ukulele. In this case, where you can have them done for you, you can go to Upwork or Freelancer and just say, I'm looking for someone to do a ukulele lessons that knows how to play, and this is what I need. And the same with the Somewhere Over the Rainbow or anything like that. You can get someone to do it. You want to spend some time on it. You don't have to spend a lot of money. And if you're stuck, so I'll just show you, if that was like, well, I just can't do that. If I do singing lessons, it's exactly the same thing, okay? So let's say we're doing singing lessons, just to show you another example. When we go to filter and we go to view count, you've got 5-minute vocal warm-up is one of the most viewed videos, okay? And some of it will be off TV shows and so on, so you just have to use your common sense when you're going through. Here we go, how to sing better in 5 minutes. So you could get someone to do a video for you that is how to sing better in 5 minutes, and you can offer that as your free gift if you are promoting a singing guide, okay? It doesn't need to be a long drawn out thing. You could do a singular gift. You could give a free 5-minute video will have you singing better in 5 minutes. Enter your name and email to download, okay? And that can be the gift. And then what you do is you'd have the gift, and then you could have you could either do it as email messages showing a preview of the actual product, okay? So you can do a preview of an actual product and show that. Or the other thing that you could actually do is you could have more help. So in this case, singing lessons or ukulele lessons, they've got their free gift, and then you could ask if they need support, give them free help. My point being, what we've looked at here is how to pick a sort of hobby area, some skill-based product, how to add value and how to find it off YouTube by just going to the most viewed in your area and seeing the most viewed video, the places where people need help the most. How to get the gift really quickly off Fiverr, however I recommend Upwork or Freelancer so you get quality. And then what you want to do, how you get traffic to that, so you've set up a very simple funnel where you've got an opt-in and you've got the free gift being delivered, and then you're sending emails and obviously putting your affiliate link in the emails and really giving good quality information, okay? So the key thing behind here is trying to give value, still based on the niche that you're in. So they're getting 1 email, 2 email, 3 email, 4 email. It doesn't matter how many, but you know, I would keep it to 3 or 4 to start, and that's 3 or 4 times that people will see you and see the same product. And then how do you get traffic? You can use the Microsoft Ads network. Now this used to be Bing, like it used to just be called Bing, really crazy name. The reason I'm suggesting this is it will be a lot slower than Google AdWords, but it's far easier to use. And you can literally go and get the best key phrases, really simple to do. So I'm on Uber Suggest, you can go and get ukulele lessons near me, ukulele lessons online. And you'd have that squeeze page set up with a really good gift that you already know that people will love because we just researched it, all the singing lessons, okay? Ukulele lessons for beginners, and you want to grab all of these because this network will be cheaper than Google Ads and it won't get as much traffic. What you want to do is you want to set up your ad groups, so the same as Google AdWords. You want to set up your ad groups and theme them to, like, if you had ukulele lessons, you want to include all your ukulele lesson key phrases all in one ad group, okay? So you'd have ukulele lessons, thinking about taking ukulele lessons online. Download your free gift that will show you how to play a very popular song with the ukulele quickly, or something. You'd think about the ad and you'd put all these key phrases in one and target United States or United Kingdom or whoever you're targeting, and then you'd put all the other, you could also target specific areas and target them as well. Okay, so you've got all these key phrases working for you, and the process is they would come through, they'd download their free gift, and most people won't buy a thing. But if you get 100 clicks and you start to get 6-7 sales off that, and then taking out the ad cost, because it won't be overly expensive because it's the Microsoft Ads network, you've also got sales that will come in later because they're on an email flow. Okay, as long as your email flow is half decent, you've got sales that will come in later down the line, and that's one of the quickest ways that you can do it. So I hope that made sense. If you need more detail on specific things, I can think of some here, like the sort of squeeze page and what to say in the messages, so I'll get some more done on that. But let me know if any questions. The other way you can do it, which works really, really well, a little bit different, is when you're picking your product, you can just go for a very, very popular product. Okay, so we went off the keyword strength, the hobbies, and singing lessons and stuff like that. If you wanted to, you could go off a very popular product like this, okay, or this, right, with 400, 800 gravity, and you can just advertise under the product name. And the only difference that you do is when you set up your ad and your email flow, you might do research. Is research really any good? And you'd have email messages going right into research with a preview of the product, with customer reviews, and going more on about that. So the difference would be is that you're just getting picked up off of the product name, and that works really, really well. It's a little bit more tricky because you need to have the strength of the product to do it, but that's another way you can do it. You can actually have the key thing here is you need to have a very, very popular product on Clickbank, okay, or any product that you're promoting, and you need to make sure that your email goes right into that product and gives them something they can't get anywhere else. So you have to make it true as well. So the secret with research, should you buy it or not, here's what you need to see first. And you could even have a PDF as a free gift going right into research, what it does, why you should buy it, is it any good, and make it honest and make it real, or even buy the product and review it yourself with your iPhone or whatever phone you're using. Just video yourself with the actual product, with a case study, something like that, something different, and you can get a lot of traffic off of those key phrases, just product based, and you could set up a few of them as well, and you'll make very, very good conversions. So let me know that helps you. It will give you everything you need. It will give you a really good way of picking products, how to find your free gift. It will give you a strategy to get really, really good traffic. Now, you won't get a huge amount of traffic off Microsoft ads compared to Google ads or Facebook ads, but it's a lot cheaper and it's a lot easier to get approved on them. Make sure that you do have a landing page, as opposed to, you can't do direct affiliate links. People try, but it's really not worth doing anymore for the conversion. So go and give that a go. Let me know if you need any help with specific areas. Let me know the specific area that you need help with out of what I've said, and I'll get a case study done of actually showing how to do this, how quickly you can get it started. And if you want to come and join us in Niche Site Master, check out the link below. I think you'll really, really enjoy it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll speak to you soon.